Hello friends, a lot of people ask if I can plant cucumbers this late in the summer. So the answer is, look up your frost date, see how much time you have, and if you've got enough time, go ahead and give it a shot. Maybe we'll have a late frost and you'll be able to harvest some late season cucumbers. So it is, let's see, welcome to my channel friends. This is Dave with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is, let's see, August the 14th. And let me see, I wrote down my frost date here. My average risk of frost is October 30th. So that's going to give me over 2 months to be able to get some harvest. My almost guaranteed not to get frost is through October 13th. So that is almost exactly 2 months. So I've got some cucumber seeds I'm going to plant. This is a lunchbox hybrid, and I got these from Burpee. I'm not sure why I don't shop Burpee very often, because, well, I won't get into that. But anyways, this is a lunchbox hybrid, picked small for lunchtime snacks and picnics. Lunchbox will save you a bundle at the supermarket and yield plenty of cukes for family and friends. Harvest in about 53 days. So 53 days should give me enough time to do this. And I've also got another pack of Bragger Hybrid. Bountiful and adaptable plants produce sweet, crunchy cukes by the bushel, as many as 65 to 70 fruit per plant, harvest in about 45 days. So again, that's even less time, so that should give me enough time to get a harvest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them down here where I had prepared a tomato bed, and I still do have tomato plants on here, but so I'm going to plant them in between here, in between the tomatoes, and let them grow up the trellis. I am going to make a little trench in the mulch here, plant the seeds. They can go about 1 inch deep, and I prepared some seeds for my trombosino squash that I just planted, so I'm going to use some of that soil for over top. I used 1 part of worm castings, vermicastings, and 1 part of mushroom compost, and then I put some perlite in there to loosen it up. So it looks pretty sweet. Doesn't it look like sweet soil? It's got a lot of worms in it from the vermicomposting. It's got a lot of baby worms. A lot of baby worms like this size. Probably red wigglers still. Alright, so let me pull you over here closer and we'll get started planting. Alright, so you can see there's a tomato here and a tomato here. So I'm just going to go in between here. I do have a thick mulch on here, so I'm going to have to pull it back quite a bit just to get down to where the regular soil is. And I'm going to plant quite a few seeds in here because you can always thin the seeds out. It's a lot harder to get seeds growing when you don't plant them than it is to thin them when you do plant them. Alright, so I'm going to put the... Oh, that's cilantro. Wrong pack. I'm going to put the lunchbox hybrid right here. And it says to plant them 1 inch deep, 3 inches apart, in hills 36 inches apart. So I'm just going to put 5 or 6 right here. And then I'll thin it down to 2 or 3. Right, seeds aren't real big for cucumbers. Alright, and then I'll cover them with about 1 inch of this soil. I'm going to have to make sure to keep them watered because the sun is going to dry this out pretty quick, even though I do have it with the mulch around here. Alright, so stay tuned so you can see what's going to happen with these late season cucumbers. I'm going to go ahead and put some water on there, then they'll be good to go. They should sprout pretty quick in the nice warm though. Okay, I'm going to plant my Bragger hybrid cucumbers up here on this round tomato trellis. There's still a live tomato up above there, but I'm going to plant this down here and let it go up this round trellis here. So hopefully this cucumber will fill it up. Right, let me put the camera down to where I'm going to plant. Go. Right, so once again I'm going to dig down through this compost and through, well, that's rabbit stuff from the rabbit pen, through my mulch till I get down to soil. All right, there's my soil. It's down there quite a ways. And again, I'm going to plant this pretty thickly because that way we'll make more chances that we get some cucumbers. And I can always thin them out. So how many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seeds in that little tiny space. So again, on this one I'm going to go ahead and cover it with my mix here. So many worms in there. And I'll have to make sure I keep this wet, keep that soil moist until they sprout up. Alright, there we go. Alright, well, thanks for stopping by. This is, I guess I could put this in my short show playlist because it is pretty much of a short show. But if you're not subscribed yet, click the B icon over here to get subscribed, and click that bell so you get notified anytime that I do update these cucumbers or update any other videos. You'll get notified. So also, my last video will be up here, and a video that Google says you will like is over there. So make sure you watch that one because Google says you're going to like it. If you don't like it, you can click the do not like button and click it twice so I'll get the message. And if you like it, of course, you can click the like just once. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see you all again real soon.